When someone collapses and stops breathing, every second counts. You can save a life with hands-only CPR. The first step is to tap their shoulders and shout, "Are you okay?" If they don't respond and aren't breathing or only gasping, it's time to act. Call 911 or have someone call for you. If an AED is available, send someone to get it. Place the heel of one hand in the center of the chest. Place your other hand on top and interlock your fingers. Push hard and fast, at least 2 inches deep and at a rate of 100 to 120 compressions per minute. Think of a beat like staying alive. If an AED arrives, turn it on and follow the voice instructions. Continue CPR until the AED is ready to analyze the heart. Keep going until help arrives, the AED instructs you to stop, or the person starts to breathe again. You can be the difference in saving a life. Be ready for the moments that matter.